We're doing a raft race. Today we got a nice big boat here. Hoping to float this year. We didn't last year. It's why we're called the Doom Pontoon.
Coos Boost Cruise. It is a vessel that is made out of cardboard boxes. We're hoping that it will last the duration of the race, and that is a win for us.
We use 4 big barrels, 4 pieces of wood around just to frame it, and then a big piece of plywood on top. I'm looking forward to floating and not getting wet, hopefully. And also spraying other people with water guns, because it's not against the rules.
I think what makes the race so enjoyable and part of the tradition of the lab is that it involves a lot of what the lab represents, which is collaboration, working hard, having fun, a little bit of competition never hurts, and it brings us together to enjoy each other's company.
We tried to stay focused. That was the main thing we wanted to do, stay focused. Sometimes our optimism got a bit ahead of us, so we try to keep calm and just row, row, row. So we decided...
I think it's sort of a unique event. Very few organizations sit on a body of water that they can pull this off, where people can just walk down. You know, I know that everybody's very proud of our location and the scenic beauty. And it, you know, forces people to do something different than what they do every day. And to build things with your hands, I think is extremely satisfying for a lot of people.